Nissan Titan project truck, and today we're going to replace the tie rod boot. This truck came with a tape wrapped around the boot, and when I took it off I found the cut and we're going to replace that boot. See, someone did a quick fix farm repair, it was fine, but now we have to do it. Alright guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that, and I have more and more interesting videos. And if you don't know how to get to the tie rod boot, check this video, how to remove the outer tie rod end and also how to put everything back. And in this video we're going to focus only how to replace the boot. Alright, let's get started. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Alright, here's the replacement part. I got this one online, and yeah, everything we need, we have it. Okay, and we have to remove two clamps, and before we'll start removing anything, let's do the cleanup. Make sure we won't get any dirt inside, and keep it everything like new. And guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestion, put it down in the comment section below. Very appreciated, will be interesting to read. Okay, let's remove this front hose clamp. It's kind of more like a fuel line clamp, and out the back we just have a plastic zip tie. That's a little bit not you expected to see. And yeah, let's cut it off and remove it. Probably someone just used it what they had. Anyway, let's pull this one out. And yeah, as I said, there's a video how to get to the boot, how to remove outer tie rod, and everything you need to know. Check this link and it will be down in the description. Inner tie rod is good, it's solid, it stays straight, and it doesn't need to be replaced, and seems like it was replaced at some point. Okay, well, let's clean everything what's covered with the boot. Make sure we don't have any old grease and any dirt if there, and let's lubricate that joint just to refresh it a little bit. What do we see? But it has a grease inside. Okay, here we go. There's a metal clamp, which is you normally use for CV boots and tie rod boots. Let's remove that nut. In that video you will see how to save the alignment as well. Okay, put a new boot on, and pay attention if your boot has a breather tube, but this one doesn't have it, and look on the manual which way it should be facing, up or down, but usually you face them up. My tie rod is fully in, make sure it's all in place. Okay, we'll start with the front tie, and as you can see, it's pretty simple. That type of metal clamps, whatever you call, they used on a CV axle boots and a tie rod boots. They just firm and they will stay tight all the time. Okay, let's pull that end down and bend it back. When you see a rubber squeezed, that's sealed, it will stay tight. Bend the back and tap it with a hammer and make that bend happen, and squeeze it down and bend those small tips, those ends in. As you can see, it just helps to lock that clamp and keep it tight. Okay, let's just tap it with a hammer, make sure everything is nice and flat, and cut it end with a wire cutters, shears. Here we go, front is done, and now we're going under the truck. I will do absolutely exactly the same thing in the back, and make sure your boot is fully in and it's in place, and that way you won't run into the problems. Okay, I'm putting that clamp, and yeah, pretty simple, pretty much straightforward, guys. If it's helpful, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that, guys. And check the result. And yeah, by the way, that's a good time to check for any leaks if you have from the steering rack. And put in a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. And the video how to put everything back in place will be down in the description. Check that part. And also I will share some tips how to save the wheel alignment much as possible. And yeah, thank you so much again, guys, for watching. And yeah, see you soon, and bye bye.